Hi everybody, I'm Dwayne Davis from Captivating Images, and I'd like to show you a couple products that'll help you guys open and do the right thing by putting signage up on floors, windows, and even outside signs. The first one I'd like to show you is some easy, low-cost window signage is cling art. They are just something like this. It's not even adhesive. It doesn't even stick to you, but it's easy to install. All you do is put it on and it can't hardly come off. But once you do take it off, you could reuse it many times. We also have window signage, which is a clear cling art that could go on the inside of the window or outside of the window. And it's clear. You can see right through it, and looks really nice, easy to install, and low cost. Okay, and here was the Coroplast signs. They're low cost. Everyone's using them outdoor now. Tell your customers we're open now for delivery or pickup or whatever. And it comes with a H stake, which is easy to slide in and out. And this is about a standard size of 24 by 18 Coroplast sign. And here's our floor graphics. A lot of people are using them now to keep 6 feet apart and whatever message. You could use these floor graphics to get dramatic attention to whatever product or service. And it's easy to install. You just peel it up, stick it on to the floor, stick it, and it comes on and off easily. We have them for indoor and outdoor, and the outdoor is very durable, rain resistant, and scuff resistant. Okay, bye for now, guys. Give us a call for all your needs, and we'll be there for you. Have a good day. Bye.